Okay, what we're doing here is I let Mike borrow my Solar Pathfinder. I've actually never used it. He's put it to good use here, and I'll let him describe what he did with it.
Well, first you set it up true north, get the compass true north, and you set the declination, which slides this entire piece to negative 11.2, and latch it in so it won't turn anymore. And then you can, once it's level, you can actually see where the trees are along the edges here, so you can see how much sun you'll get before you hit a tree. See right here, I've got to take these trees out on the right side.
That would be these trees right here.
Yep.
Yep, those need to go.
And that'll give me more sun further over in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Right now at about 3:30 at certain months of the year, I'm going to run into trees. And in August, which is near the about 4 or 5 lines up, almost halfway up, I can go all the way over to 3:30 p.m. here. And if I want to go further than that, I'm going to have to take some trees out, which we're going to do. And this is wintertime up here, December, January. You see there's a lot of trees here, but I'll still get full sunlight till I get to 2:30 p.m. Then I've got trees, but knocking these trees out will give me much more solar.
Yep, that's pretty cool. So that's a quickie on the Solar Pathfinder here. He obviously has a very good window for solar. So I'm going to cut this off here, and then I'm going to take a couple of snapshots, and hopefully we can catch this better. But I don't know if this dark area, that's the shading, that's the trees. All right, well that's it. That's the demo on how this is used, and it's very, very handy. I've had that tool for 2 years and never used it, believe it or not. All right, that's it for the Solar Pathfinder.